Ken here with another tech tip. Today I'm going to talk about a previous video that was recorded by Kevin Brinkman that discussed cleaning the slip ring using a very fine grit sanding sponge. Today I'm going to talk about how you can clean that sponge. So here we have that fine grit rubberized sponge that we can use to polish or remove any burrs on our slip ring. And as Kevin Brinkman had discussed in the previous video, we use this in a wide sweeping motion, running it over the rails of the slip ring. Well, by doing so, this will essentially pick up and collect all the carbon dust from the carbon brushes that run across the slip ring. So after only a few uses, this pad is going to be very blackened. And we can simply clean that by using some very high-grade isopropyl alcohol. In this case, we use the electronics cleaner, which is 99.9% pure, and simply using a small wash basin, pouring some of this over the sponge, working the sponge with our fingers basically to release all the carbon dust. Personally, I've been using this pad for several years. I've cleaned it multiple times and it's still very usable. So it prolongs the life of your cleaning sponge, and it'll give you more opportunity to continue to clean your slip ring without transferring materials. For more information or tips like this, see the description.